Welcome to tutorial 17. In this tutorial I am going to cover the face fillet. So I am going to move to one of the parts I made in the previous tutorial. So press Ctrl Tab. So I can choose one of the parts and continue applying the fillet on this part. So press fillet and choose this time face fillet. In this method we are able to make fillet by choosing the faces. So let's choose the first face and here the second face. So we have our fillet applied. So let's change the radius 20. OK, and let's apply face fillet one more time. Fillet, face fillet, first face, and here second face. OK, so now we have the face fillet applied on this part. So now I can close this tutorial about face fillet.